Hello and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate the technique in just a few minutes. Today, we're going to look at different mouse style options when interacting with the view panel in Fidelity Pointwise. So depending on your personal preference, you might want to assign a different mouse button for when selecting an entity from the view panel, or you can also adjust the rotation style or even the direction of the mouse scroll. Here I have a pointwise project with the geometry that I'm working on. So let me go to Edit Preferences and open up the mouse style frame. Now let's go over the options you see here. First, we have a set of controls. You have three options here: pointwise, grid gen, and tech plot. In the table shown here, you can see that with the default pointwise option, left mouse button can be used for selecting entities, right mouse button to open up the context menu, and shift and right mouse button can be used to pan the view. Now, if you're a meshing expert who is experienced with the GridGen software, you may prefer the mouse controls in GridGen. So choosing this option will let you use the left mouse button to select entities and simply use the right mouse button to pan the view. Now, if you uncheck the left pick checkbox here, then the mouse buttons will be reversed, meaning the right mouse button lets you select entities and the left mouse button lets you pan the view. Finally, the tech plot option is very similar to the GridGen style with the left pick option selected. This means left mouse button lets you select entities and right mouse button lets you pan the view. Next, you have two options for how you rotate your model. With the trackball option, you get to freely rotate the view around the rotation point, and you are not limited by an axis of rotation. This is the default option in Pointwise, but you can choose the turntable option instead. With this option, you can rotate the view about the rotation point, but the rotation will be performed about the currently vertical rotation axis. In this case, it would be about the z-axis. But you still get to tilt the vertical rotation axis forward or backward, but not sideways. Finally, the glide option determines how the mouse movement controls the image movement in the view panel. So by default, this option is checked, which means when, for example, you pan the view, the mouse movement will give the image a velocity, and you get this kind of like fluid motion in the view panel. With the option unchecked, the image moves the exact same distance as the mouse movement. So you might prefer this type of movement, so here's the option for you. And lastly, and as you could correctly guess just by the name, the reverse mouse scroll option reverses the direction of zooming relative to the direction of scrolling on the middle scroll wheel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.